Hello children, third class children. Good afternoon everyone. Okay, so I think we are completed with our first lesson now. I gave you the note parts also. Now come to the point of second lesson. Just I will give you the introduction for you. Okay. See here, I drawn the picture of the globe here. Okay, two sides I drawn here. Okay. So here, what is our this lesson about? Second lesson, how our earth looks. What is the lesson name? How our earth looks. Okay, how our earth looks. Okay, now in this new words I gave you. Okay, new words are there here. See, globe, 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 Globe. Globe. Okay, oceans. Okay, OCEANS, oceans. Okay, OCEANS, oceans. Okay, then third one is what? Continents. CONTINENTS, continent. CONTINENTS, continents. Fourth one is what? Directions. DIRECTIONS, directions. DIRECTIONS, directions. Okay. Atlas. Okay, atlas is what? Okay, you will be having all the maps in that book. Okay. ATLAS, atlas. ATLAS, atlas. Okay. Equator, EQUATOR, equator. EQUATOR, equator. Okay, rotate, 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 rotate. Surface, 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 surface. Okay, ninth one is what? Compass, COMPASS, compass. COMPASS, compass. Okay. Tenth one is what? Map. MAP, map. MAP, map. See here in this lesson. Okay, what the things we are going to learn in this lesson? We are going to learn about the globes, maps, oceans, continents and directions. In this lesson we are going to learn. Okay, see here in this, okay, how our earth looks like. Okay, and in this picture, just see the pictures. In this picture we are having 7 continents. Okay, 7 continents are there in this picture. You have to learn that what are the see, your 7 continents are what? Asia, okay, Africa, okay, and Antarctica, okay, Europe, okay, North America, South America and Australia. See, I drawn all the 7 continents because if you give the image of this picture of this globe, you can understand easily. That's why I drawn this on your board. Okay, these are the 7 continents. So in this okay, in globe where we stay? Here. See, our country is India. Our country name is what? India. Okay, so this is the North Pole. Okay, North Pole. This is South Pole. Okay, this is North Pole and South Pole. This is 2 sides of the globe. 2 sides of the globe. This picture is what? 2 sides of the globe, and North Pole and South Pole will be the same because this is 2 sides of the globe, no? Okay, for this today I complete. Okay, I will stop here only because you have to understand all these things, no? First you learn the 7 continents. Okay, 7 continents we are having. Learn that, and short introduction of the earth I will tell you. We already know that the earth is round and very big. I told you na, earth is looks like a ball. We cannot see the entire earth at one time. We cannot see the earth at one time. We cannot see it. Okay. So we make a model of the earth to study it. So what we have done? We did a model of the earth so that we can study the earth. This model is called globe. So what we have done? Model of the earth we have created. I think you might be knowing globe, no? See here in the picture, page number 12. Okay. In this model of the earth is given. Globe is, you already seen this many times, many times in schools by way. Okay. So globe you can see here. So model of the earth we draw, okay, created, that is globe. Okay. A globe is round in shape like a ball. How the globe looks? It's look a ground in shape like a ball. It represents the shape of the earth. What it looks, by seeing the ball, that we can think that this ball looks like our earth. Okay. It is fixed on a point and can be rotated on the its axis just like the earth. So it's fixed. Some stand is kept here on the globe now by fixing it so that the globe will rotate. Our earth will rotate now. In the same way, we are created one object. Nothing but globe. It looks like a earth and it rotates also because we fixed the stand in the way that so that the globe can rotate. Okay. Thank you children all. Okay, first take out your lesson, this second lesson. Just have a look of this. I am sharing the picture of this. Okay. Learn this this new words. You are having 10 only I gave you. Okay. And start writing this cursive handwriting what to write. Okay. Okay. Now you learn these words properly so that you can understand the lesson. Okay. Thank you children all. Have a nice day.